5 inches 226 is clear to land. Correcting your clear touch and go to 35 and wind 020 at 12 gust 16.
5 inches 226 is clear to land for 35 for touch and go.
And Leesburg Tower 7 inches 214, request taxi back to the ramp.
Alright, 5 inches 214, taxi to parking on this frequency.
Taxi to parking on this frequency, 5 inches 214. Thank you very much.
Tower 542, 1001 short, 135, ready to go when you are. Leesburg Tower 7 inches 226, want to clarify, we're doing a touch and go.
Alright, everybody's talking at the once, so I'm just not going to answer and you guys can figure it out.
Leesburg Tower 7 inches 226, it wants to clarify for a touch and go for runway 35.
5 inches 226, how do you hear?
We hear you loud and clear, sir. Just confirming we're cleared for touch and go, runway 35.
I've done it 3 times. 5 inches 226, you're clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 35. My student will be repeated back. Clear to land, just wanted to confirm. Thank you.
Did it back, I confirmed it. You got to pay attention. There's too many airplanes on the frequency for me to talk to you 4 times. Alright, the service down here, who wants a taxi? Say your call, sir.
542 Victor Alpha, raise it up.
542 Victor Alpha, where are you going?
Going to runway 35.
Alright, that's really good. Okay, when you decide where you're going to go after you get to runway 35, you let me know.
Will do. Are we clear to taxi?
No, you sit right there until you tell me where you want to go.
I'm going via Alpha, want to go to runway 35, we'll run up and let you know where
Victor
you're
Alpha,
going.
you don't understand, so just stay right there, and I'll get back to you. I want to know where you're going to go. That's direction of flight, IFR, VFR, and whether you have the weather, okay? So just sit there and chill out so you can figure that out.
Perfect. So let me tell you, we're going Alpha to Golf, Sierra, Papa. We can bring complete captain, and we have the weather.
542 Victor Alpha, just stay right there. I don't have time for you right now. I'll get your clearance when I can. 9 Papa Zulu, did you call? Hey, Papa Zulu, you're clear to land on runway 35. The wind 010 at 10 gust 16.
Clear to land 35, 8 Papa Zulu flight.